Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you guys my quarantine makeup look. Basically, this is just my quick everyday look. Things are really hard right now with everything going on. A lot of people are stuck at home, can't go out, can't do much. A lot of people are struggling with it. This is a very different experience. This is just a hard time right now, and being home and not having really anything to do, not having to go out anywhere, not working, I feel like you can just kind of easily get into this slump and just do nothing but lay in your pajamas all day, watch TV. Not that there's anything wrong with that, because I feel like everybody needs days like that. But I do also feel it's really good for your physical and mental health to get up, get ready for the day, put on makeup, put on a nice outfit, and get things done. I feel like when I get ready and actually put on some makeup and change clothes, like I instantly feel more productive, and it inspires me to do things like YouTube or makeup looks or cleaning the house, like stuff like that. So I feel like it's really good to just get up and put on some makeup, even if no one's gonna see you, even if you're not going anywhere. Just putting yourself together really helps your mental health, in my opinion. So I wanted to show you guys my quick quarantine look. Basically, this is just a makeup look that I've been doing a lot when I want to feel a little bit more put together, a little bit better about myself, but still keep it really simple and quick. I don't really want to spend 2 hours doing my makeup just to be sitting around the house. This is a comfortable look. This is a look that I can go out to the grocery store, because it's really the only place you can go nowadays. There's like no more than 10 products that I use, and when I actually do this look and I'm not filming it, it takes me no more than 10-15 minutes because it's that quick, but it still makes me feel more put together. I want to hear from you guys. What have you been doing during this whole quarantine to kind of keep yourself busy, feel kind of productive, stuff like that? I've been really focusing on my YouTube and my makeup and stuff, so that's been keeping me busy, but I want to hear from you guys as well. I hope you enjoy this video and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and we're just gonna get right into the tutorial. Okay, so we're gonna get started here. I'm breaking out a ton, and I'm not sure why. I've been breaking out pretty much this entire quarantine. I think it's just a lot of stress, and I've been trying out a new serum too, and I feel like it might be causing my skin to purge, but it's literally been all of quarantine. I'm breaking out like crazy, and it's so frustrating. I do quite a few different versions of this routine depending on how I'm feeling for the day. So today I'm actually going to use a bit of foundation. Now if I don't want to use some foundation, I'll usually just do concealer and that's it. But I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Reboot foundation. This is a very light coverage foundation. It just looks healthy on your skin. It looks dewy and just glowy, but it doesn't give you a ton of coverage. Just like a nice kind of even base. So I'm going to take that and just pump some on my face. And I like to go in with a foundation brush because I just feel like it is a lot quicker. So I'm using this Morphe G6. This is, I don't know, this has just been my favorite. I don't usually use foundation brushes, but this one just seems to really work for me. So I'll just quickly blend that into the skin. So you can see not a ton of coverage, but it gives a nice natural glow and just evens out a little bit of that redness. Because I quickly just applied, I'm going to take my sponge and just press over the skin, make sure there's no streaks or anything. You can see it gave a little bit of coverage, but it's not a ton. You can still definitely see my skin. You can still see some redness, but it gives a really nice natural, a nice dewy glow to it. So next I'm going to go in with concealer. Now like I said, if I wasn't doing the foundation, I would just do the concealer, but I'm using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer because it's a nice fuller coverage. So for days where I'm not putting on the foundation, this gives enough coverage for those areas. So I usually will take a little bit on the under eyes, a little bit on the eyes to cancel out redness, a little on there. Just really anywhere that I have redness still, just to kind of cover that up. And then taking my brush again and blending that in. And then once again, just going over it with my sponge. And then that's basically it for the foundation part. A lot quicker than if I was doing a fuller coverage foundation, and it's not as heavy on the skin. So I'm gonna set that really quick. I'm taking the Coty Airspun loose powder, and I'm just gonna take it on my brush and just kind of quickly set that all. I'm gonna do a little bit of bronzer. These are like products that I just continuously reach for every day. But there's not really a specific reason. I'm going in with the Faced Chocolate Soleil. I don't contour, I just do a little bit of bronzer just to add some color into the skin. And then I'm going to go in with blush. I'm using an Hourglass blush. This is Diffused Heat. And then I'm going to do highlight. I'm using the Marc Jacob Omega Glaze in Worth the Wait. This was a limited edition one of the runway collections. But it looks like that. It's very pretty. When I'm doing softer looks like this, I don't like my highlight to be too intense, so I'll usually go over it a little bit. But that's literally it for the face, very quick. Next, I'm gonna do brows. So what I'm gonna do is use the Benefit Gimme Brow, and I'm just gonna coat my brow hairs with this. This gives me that kind of color and depth. I do also have a full brow routine on my channel, which I'll have linked down below for you if you want to see how I usually do my brows. This is just my quarantine version. And then I'm going to go in with the Sephora waterproof brow pencil. And I just use this to fill in any areas that are a little more sparse, like right kind of in here. Because they are so natural, I don't really worry about them being perfect. I want them to still look quite natural. And then I still take just a little bit of concealer and just make sure that they're cleaned up. The last thing is going to be lashes. Depending how I'm feeling, sometimes I'll just do mascara and leave it at that. Today I'm going to do lashes, and I'm using these Lilly Lashes. So I'm just going to coat my lashes while the lash glue gets tacky. And then I'm just going to apply the lashes off camera. Those lashes were incredibly stubborn to get on, but they are finally on. So next is just putting some mascara on the bottom lashes. I'm going to put on some lip balm. I'm using Fresh Sugar. And I'm also going to spray my face with some MAC Fix Plus. And that is it. So that is the finished look. As you guys saw, it was very quick, easy, but I still really like the outcome. There's a lot of different things that I'll like tweak to change it up. If I'm being more lazy, I skip out on lashes, I skip on the foundation. If I want to be a little bit more put together, I'll focus on my brows more. So there's a lot of different things you can do to kind of like change up the look while keeping it still fairly quick and simple. And honestly, this is a look that I see myself doing a lot more after this whole quarantine is done. Usually I'm a full face kind of person, and that's it. It's either full face or nothing, but I could see myself easily doing this for like work if I just need, you know, quick. It still feels like I put effort into it, but really it took me no time, and it just kind of gives that nice natural look, which is nice sometimes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my quarantine look. If you haven't done so, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.